Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Today we explore the entrepreneurial success of a Canadian. Dekker Fraser, MBA, is a name you may have heard of if you're familiar with the online learning platform Udemy. But have you ever wondered why he's so successful? What's the secret to his remarkable accomplishments? Today, we reveal the answer. Dekker's journey to success began with his insatiable thirst for knowledge. With an MBA under his belt, he set out to share his expertise with the world, and Udemy provided the perfect platform for him to do so. Dekker's secret weapon is his ability to connect with his students. He doesn't just lecture, he engages with each and every one of them. Through personalized feedback and constant interaction, he has created a community of dedicated learners who keep coming back for more. But it's not just about the connection. Dekker's content is top-notch. He goes above and beyond to create comprehensive, high-quality courses that cover every aspect of his field. From beginner to advanced, he leaves no stone unturned, ensuring that his students get the most value out of every course. One of the things that sets Dekker apart from the rest is his commitment to continuous learning. He never stops growing and expanding his knowledge. He stays ahead of the curve, bringing the latest industry trends and insights to his students. Dekker understands the importance of accessibility. His courses are designed to be user-friendly and easy to follow, making it possible for anyone, regardless of their background or experience level, to benefit from his teachings. So, the secret to Dekker Fraser, MBA's remarkable success on Udemy, is a combination of his passion for teaching, his exceptional content, and his unwavering dedication to his students. Now you know why he's at the top of his game. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all the latest insights and inspiration